I think that we ought to learn how those things work. Now, the other thing too that I'd like to add is that when people get a software without paying for it, and then because of that they use their time to play the games and not go to school or study, we know that eventually they'll run into problems. Because, for example, in my case, I opted to work on the, for example, the software, creating software, instead of remaining as a consumer playing the games. Because at the time here in the Philippines, we had a lot of these pirated CDs, pirated DVDs. Then you can get the pirated keys to unlock the software too. Now, if you got people who are doing only that, what you end up having is this population that only plays games and doesn't study and can't really create their own games. Now, in my case, what I did was, okay, I'm interested in this animation thing, in how you can create something that can interact with a world that was created using the computer. Now I want to know how to build that. So I focused more on creating something that, even though there were so many other guys who were playing video games. So at the time, I didn't play Dota, even though I know that a lot of people were playing the game at the time. I didn't play quite a lot of the games that they were playing. And what I did was focus on building apps, particularly for mobile devices. Because for mobile devices, what we needed was something a lot simpler, which is kind of like the 80s family computer type of game, which eventually, after maybe only a few years, 3 or 4 years, we quickly jumped to something closer to the Super Family Com games, because the mobile devices could carry more memory